The office of President of the United States.
The office of President of the United States.
I think Trump is so identified with the Trump part of his story that it's been a little bit of a revelation to Americans to find out that, oh, wait a minute, his mother was from Scotland.
It's a great American story. It is the American story of poor immigrants arriving, working really hard, making America great, as the president says himself, and establishing themselves in the new world. Tongue Village, to this day, you would describe as a Gaelic-speaking village, I guess. It's only 3 miles outside the main town of Stornoway in the Hebrides, which is an English-speaking town. But the rural areas are Gaelic, and certainly were Gaelic at the beginning of the 20th century. The language of the church, the language of the home and the hearth would have been Gaelic, but the language of the school would have definitely been English. Gaelic was not promoted or even condoned within the educational.
Agus é scríomh in the mháthar, dúirt Donald Trump. Looking back, I realise now that I got some of my sense of showmanship from my mother.